Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your reading for June last 10 days, love and money situation. So I'll pick up 3 random cards which will give you a likely outcome for the last 10 days of June regarding your money and love situation. Retrograde season still on with Venus and Mercury in retrograde, besides other planets too. But here we need to understand, we really need to go slow, and we need to think and cross-check till these planets do not come out of their retrograde. So let's pick up these cards for you, Cancer. First card, King of Rods in reverse. Sorry, I picked double cards, so we'll do the reshuffling again. There was a double card, 2 cards, so didn't know which one to take, so just will take up 3 random cards. Page of Rods, the World, the Chariot, the 3rd card. So let's see. Page of Rods, basically it's a message or somebody coming to you, very initial energy. It's a maybe it's a in love, it's a new love situation, very beginning of a new love situation. Either a message is coming to you or you're getting a message online, like maybe through WhatsApp or email, something like that. Now because with this COVID thing, personally meeting up people isn't going that great, so this could be a love situation for you. Also, you could hear from maybe your ex flame, your soulmate. For a few of you it could be new love, for few of you it could be an old relationship which you haven't heard for maybe years and years, or maybe you could hear or get a message from them. So this Page of Rods talk about a very initial starting of a new relationship, or an old one. You are hearing about them. Maybe you starting again with Cancer. World card. So World card talks about a phase ending, a phase in your life or a cycle ending, wherein you find the support of the universe. It talks about balance, and it's about a cycle being over. So I'll just clarify this card. It could also talk, the World card talks about traveling, so for some of you there might be travel, maybe related to work, usually also maybe going and meeting your person, your love situation. So the clarification card for the King of Cups. So you're going to meet, it's a love situation. You are going or traveling to meet your person, or or it could be like with this World card, that emotionally you're feeling good, you're feeling loved, you are having some kind of a emotionally you are just feeling good about yourself. It could be like a love situation mostly, but it could also mean a business partnership kind of. So you are trying to or you have certain idea which you want to work on, so you're trying to take action on that idea too, Cancer. So if some new idea surely has come up, maybe you are trying to manifest your love or your partnership. So there is an idea which has come to you, and you are trying to manifest this idea. With the World card, it's showing that that phase you have left, wherein this idea did, and a new idea has come, and you are trying to work on that. Now this is the 3rd card, the Chariot. here it shows like moving forward. I mean, you want to move forward with a certain situation. Maybe this idea this has come to you. But you are trying to balance, see the balance. You are trying to balance the yin and yang, the negative and the positive, which you know in your past, future, whatever experiences you had or whatever thoughts you are going through. So you are trying to move forward. This also talks about a journey. So definitely Cancer, you have an idea to take up a journey, or you are going for a journey here. For some of you, I mean, it's a general reading, so some of you still have the idea and you just want to explore new territory for business, partnership, or you have a job in some other cities. For that you are traveling, or you could travel with your loved one somewhere, so that could be for you, Cancer. Right now, one at the card at the bottom of the deck, card Three of Pentacles. So I mean, you are trying to work with your idea, like it's not alone working for money, or even it's a situation you want to work so well that you want the satisfaction with it. So right now you are spending time with yourself, introspecting things, thinking how to work, which gives you a total satisfaction. Like you master the skill. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to go ahead, you want to just master that skill, which gives you satisfaction financially as well as emotionally. So it's basically, even in a love situation, maybe you are just checking out the information regarding this new love. Maybe online you are just trying to keep a tab on the person and trying to find out details, or it could be, I mean, it's not for all of you, but it's of most of you. You are just waiting, and you are getting all the information regarding the situation you are in, whether it's business or money situation. But I feel, Cancer, with the new love or next love, you're really you're happy and excited to move forward, but still you're taking your time and you're stepping back and you're just thinking, and you are deciding to take an action slowly. With this Chariot card, definitely shows you are moving. So this is what till June. So Cancer, if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in July readings. Thank you.